The first ISU Congress was held in 1975 in Wageningen in the Netherlands. After that, it went to a different country every 2 years. On that way the Congress made a journey all around the world. It even came to North America, Australia, and the Far East. But in 2025, after 50 years, it will come back again to the place where it all started. To Wageningen. The Congress will be held in the WICC Congress Center. Here we have access to a professional projection room where we show the best stereo shows every day. In other rooms you can follow interesting workshops or visit the trade fair. In the conference center is also a hotel where you can stay during the Congress. And of course there is a restaurant where you can enjoy a delicious meal. Also a nice place to be is the lounge, where you can relax and hang out with your stereo friends. During the Congress there is of course also plenty of opportunity to take stereo photos. For example, in the center of Wageningen, which is within walking distance of the hotel. We have also some nice excursions. For example, to the Hoge Veluwe. This is a unique combination of a nature park and culture. The big nature park can be explored with free white bicycles. You might even see the impressive wildlife that lives in the park. The culture can be found in the Kröller Museum, with as highlight a collection of the most famous paintings of Vincent van Gogh. Another nice excursion goes to the Open Air Museum. Here you can see these typical Dutch houses. And of course, windmills. This is only a small part of what you can see on the Congress. We think it will be a great addition. Therefore we have an invitation, special for you. Let me hand it over. Here you are. We hope you join us. So, save the date, 18th to 25th of August, in 2025. See you then.